everyone, I'm back again. Do you want to learn English with Miss? In today's lesson, we will learn how to have an English conversation with a friend. So, what do you say? Let's begin. Hi, Claire. It's been such a long time since I last saw you. Tell me, what have you been up to? Hi, Monica. I've been so busy lately. I'm sorry for not being able to keep in touch. It's okay, Claire. Don't feel bad at all. I too am working and going to school, so that's why it's been very hectic lately. I hear you, Monica. I too am taking classes and working at the same time, and I just can't seem to find enough time in the day. How's your family doing? My mom is still in Nicaragua. I went through this past summer to visit her. Thank you for asking. How's your family doing, Monica? Oh, that must have been a nice break away from everything, Claire. That's so sweet of you to ask. My family's doing great. Thankfully, I still live with them. That is so nice that you have your family so close to you. You are very lucky, Monica. Yes, Claire. It definitely is a plus point. What do you say we order some food? Oh, yes. I'm starving. Excuse me, waiter. Could you please help us? Good evening, ladies. My name is Craig. How may I help you? Hi, Craig. We would like to look at the menu, please. Here's the menu, ladies. Let me know when you're ready to order. Thank you, Craig. I think I'll order the fettuccine alfredo. Great choice, Monica. I will go with the chicken salad. I have your order right here, ladies. Bon appetit. Thank you, Craig. Wow, yes, thank you. In today's lesson, we learned how to have an English conversation with a friend. Thank you for joining us, everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.